What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got this Albert Silhouette Works Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo in this baby blue paint job. Now guys, this came out very recently. It's a new release, and the reason why I had to get this particular model for MiniGT is because if you guys remember a couple of videos ago, we unboxed the exact same model, but it was in black, and I also put a link in the top right there somewhere. That was the Malaysia Diecast Expo exclusive from MiniGT, and now they've released this in blue. Obviously this is not an exclusive, but it is the same model, just in a different color, and I just had to get this to match the other Aventador that we have in the collection. And you guys can see it's actually sealed, so my first impressions are gonna be your first impressions. As usual, you guys know that's how we do it in the channel here, and that's why I'm gonna just quickly try to unbox the car. I really didn't want to prepare myself beforehand because I want to get an honest response or an honest reaction to the car, just as much as you guys would get when you guys see. And oh wow, right at bat, my first reaction is she's massive, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but she is massive and she's girthy. Weight wise, she feels relatively the heavier side, I would say. I'm not gonna lie, I might be a bit biased because I love Lamborghinis, I love Aventadors, and this GT Evo is just magnificent. The paint job, I gotta say, I'm not really a fan of blue on Lamborghinis, I know, but something just about this blue is just phenomenal. This baby blue is just amazing. Rims, we've got 6-spoke rims right there, and obviously wheels. They've been amazingly well. MiniGT has been doing amazing with them. Obviously you guys can see the rims are slightly different for the rear and the front as well, because the rear, they are kind of like inwards a bit, and then for the front, the rims are actually poking out a little, extruding out a little. Obviously we've got LBWK's logo right there. We've got GT Evo written right here. This side mirrors, which are obviously rubber, so you got to be careful, you do not want to break them up. And then obviously in the front, we've got a Lamborghini logo right there. Plastic headlight temples. We've got an amazing, very nicely done front splitter with obviously the white accent to kind of wrap around the whole baby blue paint job, I assume. Obviously we've got the fender flares right there, all the aero ducts for increased aerodynamics, and obviously the left side of the vehicle exactly the same. Wheel spin amazingly well once again. You guys can see GT Evo written right there, LBWK's logo right there. Obviously this blue paint job looks very nice, and I don't know guys, let me know in the comments if you guys agree with me, but does this portion here look a lot like the C8 Corvette? For some reason, it's kind of giving me the exact same vibes. Obviously, this is way bigger to allow for more air, etc. But you know, the shape of this kind of have like the C8 Corvette vibes, right? Regardless, let me know if you guys agree. Obviously, we've got this black paint job thing that fades away in the rear, which is something they've done to this whole series of GT Evos, and I think it's brilliant what they've done with it. Also, I apologize for my cameras, the focus thing. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I'm trying to figure it out again, but I'll try my best to, to get it sorted out as soon as I can. And obviously in the rear, we've got the iconic dual exhaust right there, the GT Evo exhaust. We've got this massive diffuser, and obviously Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because she's girthy. And look at how big that wing is. Check it out. Obviously the wing says Liberty Walk right here. And obviously it's got this little piece right here that kind of holds the wing as well. This is really, I love Lamborghinis. Like I say like 1,000 times in the videos, I love my Lamborghinis, and I think this is amazing. The way they have actually shaped the wing on this GT Evo is magnificent. Check it out. And obviously we've got all the ducts, all the aerodynamic portions, all the fender flares. The white body kit on this is fantastically done. And then lastly, base. Obviously base has no details whatsoever. It's very common for MiniGTs. I've kind of like given up on that. I mean, imagine if they did put some details in the base. I think this car would be something to die for. Obviously interior wise, you guys obviously can see the iconic interior, the Aventador interior. We've got the huge dash right there. Obviously this is a right hand driven car. You guys can kind of sort of see the steering wheel right there, but that's about it for interior. The interior is all black, so you can't really see much. But just like that, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like this casting, if you guys think it's worth getting. But as usual, we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. just like, I guess we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I actually had an amazing time unboxing this car. This is gonna go superbly well in my collection. If you guys remember, there is the GT Evo right there, the MDX exclusive, and we've got this. I'm super excited to have this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna display it right here in my display shelves. Now, guys, if you're looking for display cases like this, if you're in Singapore, if you're looking for this, do drop me a comment, because I am ordering these, I'm selling them as well. So we've got cases for mini GTs like this, we've got cases for your Tomicas just like that. It's exactly the same thing, just a bit smaller. Obviously, you guys know me, I've been displaying them like this for a while. If you guys want for your main lines like my Chase right there, or for your your premiums like my Chase right there, or for main lines right here, I have them as well. I have those as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in the display cases. Just a little side advertisement. But back to the video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this content. If you guys want to see more of such content, let me know in the comments as well. But just guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.